And that's always the way it is, because I feel like in regimes like, this book talking about it too, like people are going to be in power, and they're going to stay in power unless there's a lot of people working together. And it's always harder to get a lot of people to work together than it is to get like
For
one
sure.
person in power. Like it's easier to try to do a coup than it is to do like nonviolent mass protests. And if you're going to do a violent protest, it's easier. You don't need as many people, because violence, you don't need a lot of people in order to be violent. Like as long as you are targeted and do it
Mm-hmm.
quickly. But we're going to talk about hooligans, so they don't need a lot of people to be violent in this chapter. But if they wanted to, like, if you want to really change things, you have to have a lot of people flooding the streets, and all those people have to be willing to take disproportionate pain, because that's what nonviolent protest is. You have to be willing to be killed or beaten up or whatever, and a lot of people aren't willing to do that. So
Mm-hmm.
you not only have the difficulty of turning the other cheek, but you also have the difficulty of getting thousands and thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people to do it at the same time. So that's very difficult. And but I think that would be what is needed to hold, the government accountable.